It is important to use a high-quality product that is designed for waterless washing. It is also important to use high-quality, clean, soft, and absorbent towels. Start by folding the towels in half twice to form a square. Dampen some of the towels with water and wring them out until they are only damp. You will need plenty of both damp and dry towels. If water is not available, dampen the towel with Wash Wax All as you fold the towel. Start by spraying the bugs on the front of the car and let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes. While the Wash Wax All is softening up the bugs, let's go over the proper steps to waterless wash your car. Step 1. Spray an area to be cleaned with Wash Wax All. Step 2. Using a side-to-side motion, wipe the area with a damp towel. Step 3. Dry the area with a dry towel before the Wash Wax All dries on its own. As the towel gets dirty, unfold and refold to get a new clean side. We recommend you start at the highest point of the car. Spray an area to be cleaned and wipe it with a damp towel. Then, before it dries on its own, dry it with a dry towel. Wash Wax All is safe to use on every part of the car, including paint, clear coat, plastic, chrome, vinyl, rubber, and glass. If the Wash Wax All dries before you are able to dry it, it will leave streaks. To fix this, simply re-wipe the area with the damp towel and dry it with the dry towel before it dries on its own. After 5 to 10 minutes, return to the front of the car and respray an area and wipe it dry. If the bugs are not coming off easily, you can use the Aero Bug Scrubber to break up the bugs and then wipe it dry with a dry towel. Continue cleaning the car, including the wheels and tires. See our other video for more details on how to clean and condition wheels and tires. We recommend you do the windows last using fresh clean towels. For light cleaning or touch-ups, you can use one towel. Take a folded dry towel and spray some Wash Wax All on one side. Then spray the area to be cleaned and wipe the area with the damp side. Next, flip to the dry side and dry the area before the Wash Wax All dries on its own. As the towel gets dirty, unfold it to expose two clean dry sides. Spray Wash Wax All on one side to continue cleaning. Wash Wax All is great for use on the interior leather, vinyl, and plastic, including your dashboard, instruments, and door panels. Wash Wax All can also be used to clean and protect the engine compartment. Use Wash Wax All degreaser on grease and oil. Here are some things to remember. Always dry the Wash Wax All before it dries on its own. Waterless wash one area at a time. On hot surfaces, use a damp towel in step 2. Inspect your towels after washing and store them in a dirt-free container. Do not use fabric softener when washing microfiber. Never use a towel that has fallen on the ground. Rinse off mud, sand, and road salt before washing. For grease, oil, and exhaust soot, use Wash Wax All degreaser.